Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So I'm gonna be filming a nighttime routine. So I'm just gonna take you guys along. That's my dog. Just in case you're wondering. I'm gonna take you guys along a couple things that I do on a regular basis to get ready, or should I say get on ready with me, and my regular nighttime routines. So let's just go ahead and get started. So I'm just gonna prop you guys down here. Okay, so I'm just gonna take off my jewelry. One of the first things I do, actually one of the first things I do is light a candle. So I'll just show you guys. I was like filming back there, but I like this candle. It's like one of my favorites. It's the peaceful one, and it is the water lily scent. It is so nice, so I like that. And I have that smelling throughout my room. It is super nice. Okay, I just really like that scent when I'm getting ready for bed. So I just put all my jewelry away. I have like a little pouch for my hoop earrings.
Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster.
So I'll just show you really quick. So these are like where my necklaces go, and then my jewelry goes in here. But yeah. So that is done now, and my hair is up, which is great. I'm gonna go wash my face.
Before you came round, I was ready to slow down. Before you came round, I was heading for a small disaster. Before you came round, I was ready to blow me down. Let it go, make my body go. Take our bodies higher and higher and higher. We can go until the morning glow. We can go higher and higher. Before I was found, I felt like I could drain the ocean. Before I was found, I didn't wanna breathe out. And my soul beats a sound loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
My face feels so clean. I love it. Okay. Okay, now I'm gonna change into my PJs. Okay, change into my PJs. Now I'm gonna go and prep my stuff for the week. Like my smoothies. So let's get to prepping. Mangoes. Blueberries. Strawberries. Okay, so what I like to do is just take these little baggies and I just pack my fruit up for the week that I'm gonna put into my smoothies. So for the most part, my smoothies stay the same, unless I want like a specific smoothie for the day, but for the most part, it's all the same. So mangoes, spinach, strawberries, and blueberries. Oh, also bananas and yogurt. But the yogurt I don't put in those baggies. I just leave that in the fridge like normal.
With our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will.
Okay, so you guys just saw me prepping for my smoothies for the next day. So yeah, that's what I do. And then I brush my teeth, I drink water. So right now I'm just drinking my water right now. And yeah, just like unwind for the day. Nothing too crazy, just, you know, unwind, get to bed, catch up on some social media real quick, and then lights out. So right now it's 10:20, so yeah, I'm actually in bed before 10:30 and then lights out before 11. So yeah, that's my nighttime routine. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.